Hi, I'm Alisha from adultspeechtherapy.co, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about a memory strategy called mental pictures. So this strategy is essentially it. You are taking a mental picture and putting it in your mind. So you are going to usually use this with patients with more mild to moderate memory deficits. This isn't exactly helpful for patients who have more severe memory deficits. So again, you are instructing your patient to create a mental picture in their mind. So basically, you're taking a photograph with your eyes and storing it in your brain. So for example, visualize where you left your keys and take a mental picture of that. Other examples you can use for mental pictures are written information. So you can look at a business card and thinking about, okay, I put my appointment on the bottom line of the very bottom of the business card. And I know there was a little bit of yellow in the very bottom of the business card. And then you're taking a picture with your eyes, essentially, visualizing it, and then putting it into your brain. You can also use it with items such as your car. So you go into the grocery store, but before you go, you're gonna look at where your car is, take note of its location in relation to the store. So again, I parked my car and I know it's by the red lamppost on the west end of the parking lot. I'm taking a picture with my eyes and I'm creating that image. You can also do this with other items such as your keys. You left them by the front door in the basket, looking at the surroundings so you can again recall it better. So creating mental pictures is an excellent strategy to assist with memory. Good luck teaching your patients how to create mental pictures for a memory strategy. For everything else, including free PDFs, check out adultspeechtherapy.co.